So one of the core problems we had before using Brilion was that all our operations was spread over different systems. Routing, scheduling, online payments, everything had to be accounted for using different software. And what Brilion has done is allowed us to bring it all under one roof, into one place, so we can manage it all much easier. Okay, so one of the main benefits that Brilion has brought to us has been the scheduling system, which has allowed us to give a complete overview of our daily bookings from customers, our crew availability, which locations they're in. The ease of use of the software has made it very easy to add in a booking or to edit the price, change to different crew, and it's really helped us to avoid any double bookings. So one of the things I really like about ratings is that customers can give their feedback through the app or from the website, and that really helps us to pinpoint which areas we need to look at to improve or who's overperforming, and at the same time it helps to give incentives to the crew. Discount codes have been a great way to incentivize to new and existing customers through the website and through the app. And discount codes give us a tool to compete with the online aggregators. Brilion allows you to integrate their guest booking in such a simple way. It only takes a few minutes, which is completely customizable with our brand and logo. Setting up the app with our brand and logo and launching it on the iOS and Android stores was as simple as clicking a button. I would definitely recommend Brilion because they actually listen to us, and I think this in turn helps them evolve the product, which provides a better solution for us.